Okay, welcome back to Bose Empire Media. Today I'm going to take you on a journey of production of palm oil in Nigeria, Igbo tribe precisely. Look at these tall palm trees. They look like they are touching the clouds. In this village, palm oil is not just a simple business. It is a story of hard work, bravery, and the human power. With accurate strike, he caught the heavy thorny fruit bunch. Watch it fall. It hit the red earth with a huge thud. The harvest is finished, but a big race has just started. If this fruit bunch stay on the ground for more than 2 days, they will start to go bad. The worker must move them fast to get fruit to the village mill. Before the fruits can release their red oil, they must face the fire. The young men use heavy machete to chop the massive bunches into smaller pieces. Then workers lift these pieces into huge iron drums. After separating it from the bunches, fire is hot and the smoke fills the air. For many hours, the food boils in the water. This boiling does two important things. It keeps the oil fresh by stopping it from spoiling, and it makes the outer fruit flesh very soft. Look at this big cycle. Men, women, and children all work together to achieve one goal. So this is communal space. Here people tell stories, love, help each other. Now everything changes. The whole traditional way are meeting modern local engineering, listening to the sound. This is Nista engine. It is loud, it is strong, and it drives our local digester. The worker shovel the hot streaming fruit straight into the top chopper of the machine. Inside sharp iron blades, turn very fast, crushing thousands of fruit in just a few minutes. It saves the back of our workers by turning the tough fruit into a soft, steaming orange paste. Look at the bottom of the machine. The thick hot orange paste is pouring out. The engine has done its job perfectly. It has broken the fruit open while it is still hot, and now the oil is knocked inside the fiber, waiting to be squeezed out. Now we reach the most powerful stage of the meal. The workers take the hot, mashes pulp and shove it straight into this heavy metal mechanical screw press. Look at how rugged and sunny this machine is. The workers push long metal bars, turning heavy screw down with immense physical strength. As the press tightening, look closely. Pour thick crude palm oil start to burst out of the metal slugs. This mechanical pressure forces every single drop of oil out of the fiber. Watch the liquid change. It turns from cloudy orange into a deep, beautiful crystal clear crimson red. In this village mill, nothing is wasted. When the press opens, the leftover compressed fiber cake is dry. It will be used to feed the fire, and hard nuts inside will be cracked and so to make soap and cream. This oil pay for school fees, support small businesses, and feed families. It is built with local engineering, strong muscle, and proud heritage. This is true spirit of Nigeria red gold. It's built with local engineering, strong muscles, and local heritage. This is the true spirit of Nigerian red gold. Thank you for watching. You can now hit the subscribe button and press the like button to be able to see our next video. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Eagle Bows out. media. Hit subscribe for more stunning cultural journeys.